Alright guys, here comes CSX eastbound. Here comes CSX Q008. Welcome to Kentucky. Alright guys, this CSX Q008 came from Lake, Illinois. It's going to Worcester, Massachusetts. Okay, bye, and that's all for now. Yep. CSX Q008. Also, I missed the mixed freight train here in Marion because it came before I got there. I believe that was CSX Q332, but I'm not sure because it was a CSX eastbound mixed freight train. I saw it while I was in the car coming here. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.